Hey guys, it's AuramTheWolf here with another quick video. Today I'm going to be showcasing Rainmeter and what it can do to improve your quality of life. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Okay, so the first thing I wanted to show you was this like spinning disc thing up there. If you scroll, you can actually spin it around. So I accidentally just opened up the start menu just then. So now we'll go up to these top widgets right here, and I'll slowly go through one by one what they are because I didn't actually research it before I started the video, and I wanted to know as well. So here you have a picture of a speaker, your volume and what it's at, and also the clock, which is usually default on Windows anyway. So over here you have like a dropout thing with settings in it, and look at how many settings you can play around with. Oh, I almost forgot. There's this like little dropout thing here, so you can select all your favorite games, you lazy motherfuckers. So thank you for watching my tutorial on Rainmeter and what it can do for you and improve your situation and sex life. I'll see you in another tutorial video.
Hey mum, can you go watch my new video and give me a like and a thumbs up?